Hello and welcome to our video today. Today we have the Body Shop Advent of Change calendar. This is the smallest of their 3 calendars. And one thing that I'm noticing as I'm taking the products out of their little individual boxes is that each box is mentioning something about the community fair trade group that they worked with on each item. That's unique and interesting to know. Yes, something interesting. But now I want to know what's in the box, so let's hurry up. Here we go. First up is a bath lily, and they have replaced all of their plastic bath lilies with plant-based product. This is made from ramie, but it's nice and soft, yet it does feel like it would give a nice little scrub-a-dub-dub. I'd rather roll in the sand, thank you very much. We have a shampoo and a conditioner. Yes, and now one thing to keep in mind, these were separate days. They did not come in the same date box, yet they are nice to give us both shampoo and conditioner. I really like it when advent calendars do that. It's nice to have the 2 products so they can work in concert with each other. For shea butter, this is for very dry, damaged hair. I know the ends of my hair qualify in that department, so this could be a possible winner in my book. This is the Satsuma shower gel. Zesty and refreshing. At least that's what it says, and I took a sniff, and it does smell very nice. This is one of my favorite shower gels. I've used this one before, and it is nice. We have a pink grapefruit product, and pink grapefruit is also one of my favorite scents that the Body Shop makes. So it's nice to see this one in soap bar form instead of a plastic container. So I'm excited to be giving this one a try. We have 2 tea tree products to help purify your skin. Yes, and again, these are on separate days. They do not come in the same day. I'm just grouping things together. And these are both tea tree skin clearing facial wash, tea tree skin clearing toner. And again, they are both for purifying your skin. We have 2 shower creams, and they are for dry skin. Yes, and one of them is coconut, and one of them is avocado. We have a hand cream and a hand balm. One of them is in British Rose, and one of them is in Mango. And I've used both of these before, and they are both very nice. They are lightly scented, not overpowering. They are moisturizing, and a little bit goes a long way. Yes, so you don't need to squeeze out a lot when you use the product. And we have a shea body butter. And this is also for very dry skin. And I've noticed that a lot of the products in here are for very dry skin, which we seem to see a lot of that in the colder weather. We are halfway through the box, and my 2 favorites, although I do like many of the items we've seen, my 2 favorites are the mango hand cream and the pink grapefruit soap. What did you like? Leave a comment down below. I am a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Tell me more. And now, moving right along with this video, As we are moving our way into the second half of the calendar, I am noticing that the little boxes have little bits of way to spread kindness and joy. It says, spread the love, think up a small act of kindness you can do for someone today. We have a face and body bar, and this one is in the scent olive. Now, I tried to get a sniff through the packaging, but all I can smell is the pink grapefruit from the other soap bar. So we shall see with this one what happens. Something new and different that we have not seen in prior years is a hair clip. Yes, I was surprised to see this little claw hair clip, and goodness knows I can always put one of those to use. This is a strawberry lip butter. I like the concept of getting a lip butter and a lip balm. I just wish their packaging wasn't something where I had to stick in my fingertips or a Q-tip or a sponge applicator. I wish they came in a lipstick style, but that's just me. We have shower gels in pink grapefruit, strawberry, and mango. And I gotta say, I like all of these scents. So this is definitely a good box. And there's so many body things. You're gonna be in the shower. You may never come out. That's a possibility. We have two British Rose scented products. Yes, one is a shower scrub, and the other one is a sample size of their fresh plumping mask. I don't think I've tried either of these products before. I've tried the British Rose scent, and I liked that, but I don't think I've tried either of these products before. So this is looking like a good option here. Yes, we've got a lot of good options in this calendar this year. We've got two more hand products this year. One is pink grapefruit and the other one is almond milk. So I know I'm going to be passing the almond milk along because of allergies, but the pink grapefruit, I'm excited to get to use that one. I've used it before and I do enjoy it. And again, these little tubes, they look tiny. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't have to squeeze out half the tube for one use. A little bit goes a long way. We have a vitamin E hydration sheet mask. And that is always nice to get a sheet mask for the winter time, as long as the weather's not too cold. It's always nice to have a hydrating sheet mask. And as always, they end their calendar with a avocado product. This is a body butter, and they always end with a avocado body butter. From this half of the calendar, I think my top two are the British Rose shower scrub and the pink grapefruit hand cream. Although I do like basically everything that is in this calendar. What did you see that you liked? Comment down below. I want to know, because I am a nosy camel. If you like what you've seen here today, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have lots of fun adventures. And now taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. This was the Body Shop, the Advent of Change calendar, 24 days. The cost was $89 with a value of $168. So I think that's a pretty good return on the financial investment. And honestly, I'm liking, I would say 95% of what is in this calendar. And when we do the math, the price per day is $3.71. And these are all deluxe sample sizes. So thank you for taking some time to watch this video. We do appreciate it. And we hope to see you again in another video. Happy holidays! Happy holidays!